Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 16. Wow, we have passed the halfway point. Actually, we've passed the halfway point a few days ago. I keep forgetting that this is only for 25 days. I have been doing a lot of pretties lately to offer as freebies with my orders. So I've gotten into the habit of loading up the pages with lots of doodles, and it was tremendous fun. I'm still not done. I have to prep some stuff for my dear awesome patrons, but they are a lot of fun to make, and I wanted to kind of do the same thing for day 16 and 17. So the work has been spread over 2 days, of course, but I kind of try to keep them, keep the same feeling from one page to another. So just be prepared in advance. These are awfully loaded, but I don't know. It's just fun. It's just fun, and that's what my book is all about. So I hope you'll enjoy that. And I want to mention too that I had to cut some of the segments because otherwise the video would have been too long, because I was having so much fun doodling. I couldn't stop, and I ended up doing more than 15 minutes each day. So in order to keep it under 15 minutes for you to watch and not have a super long video, I had to cut down a little bit, but I've kept the most essential parts. Today on December 17th, there was fluffy snow falling, so I was greatly inspired by the weather for this page. You'll notice that the black dots that I did on the left hand side will turn into white dots. And again, this is another page that's fully loaded, and I tried to keep in mind the fact that I was working on two separate pages, but also I wanted to carry the theme from one page to another. And in case you're wondering what I'm writing, again, another influence by the weather. I think I was writing a very snowy day, winter wonderland or something like that. Instead of just doing the alphabet, I thought it'd be fun to incorporate something to commemorate the weather of today. The gold serpentine that I had in the background reminded me of a Christmas tree, like the shape of it. So I decided to make it appear more to the foreground by adding more gold. And I just think it's fun. It just goes with the theme of the winter wonderland. I do have flowers there, but you know, flowers in winters, it's possible. We do have poinsettias. They're not poinsettias, obviously, but it works, right? Anyways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link to a video I have on the pretties. In case you're new to my channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, it's just a fun way for me to recycle old paintings or paintings that I didn't particularly enjoy. So you can go and check that out. And as usual, I will list the supplies in the description of this video. I also want to mention that there's a big disconnect between the colors in the photos at the end and what you're seeing on video. That's because my video cam does not capture the real stuff, and I try as I might to edit the best that I can. I'm not very savvy in color correction, so my apologies for that. That's why I include the photos at the end so that you can see the real colors. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, my awesome patrons, for supporting my art over at Patreon. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Have a wonderful and creative day, and I will see you for day 18.